Control from anywhere. Turn electronics on or off from anywhere with your smartphone using the Kasa app. Voice control. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and Microsoft Cortana supported devices for a hands-free experience. Compact design. Won't block the other wall outlet, allowing two smart plugs to be installed side by side. Kasa scene schedules. Schedule the smart plug to automatically switch on and off when away or set a scene for controlling many devices with a single button. Top reviews from the United States. Works amazingly for the most part. I bought these because a lot of things can be automated, even if it doesn't seem obvious. I have about 5 or 6 of these in my house. I have my bedroom fan set to turn on at 9 p.m. and off at 6 a.m. every day. My lights also come on at 6 a.m. so I am not stumbling through the house in the morning. It's also really nice to see if you left the light on or anything else when you're driving away from home to go on vacation. Most people assume these are only necessary if you're lazy, but there's a lot more to it. Just a heads up, this will not work on digital things, like TVs or things with buttons, only switches like fans, lights, and maybe humidifiers, air conditioners. The only complaint I have is that when you lose power, the plug seems to forget the schedule that you have set until you manually unplug it and plug it back in. I live in the country where the power seems to go out about once or twice a month, so this is a regular thing for me, but I blame my town more than I blame TP-Link.